I currently work as a full stack engineer in R&D BCI.
In R&D BCA as a PGT in VECU team, that is under engine combustion in software algorithm.
I work as an Android developer.
My role at R&D BCI is mill validation engineer in software and ADAS department.
I joined as an PGT, now as an engineer in a software architecture team.
I'm a wiring diagram designer from PF and gas department.
As an environment which promotes the technical and professional growth. Also, the chapter leaders here help you to grow technically, and also the internal hackathon here is a great opportunity to learn and to explore things. So that is definitely a highlight.
It wasn't so easy, but my managers and TL really helped me out.
So my transition from college to campus was quite an overwhelming ride to me, with the support of my seniors and many more hands-on opportunities.
From the day one till date, I get tremendous support from my teammates and colleagues. They'll help me in whatever way I wanted it to be. And moreover, R&D BCI provides a number of trainings for your future guidance.
The transition has been tremendous. I got an opportunity to work in R&D BCA in one of the growing field, which is software and ADAS. So this made me more responsible person.
Actually, it was really great. As I'm from PF and gas department, I'm learning new technologies and my procrastination gradually reduced.
Team lunch and the outings that we go with our colleagues is definitely an opportunity to bond with the colleagues, and that gives a pleasure off from the work.
Meeting my colleagues, when I say meeting my colleagues, especially my managers, they were so friendly, and I could reach out to them without any hesitation. The quality which really attracted me was their humbleness and their being modest.
My favorite part at R&D BCI are the huddle spaces, which enhances team collaboration.
To be honest, the favorite part of the company is the pantry, I would say, because the little chit-chats we speak with our friends and teammates keep my day moving.
The campus is green with more trees. This takes me back to my college days.
Of course, my workspace because of the friendly environment and the inclusive and diverse culture.
Innovative.
Metanoia.
Dynamic.
Futuristic.
Nurturing.
Inclusive.